one they call Phantom. I'm more than you can handle, like the feeder from a distance with a long spoon handle. You other niggas out my vision, I changed the channel. I'm coming from the top, best believe I see the pounder. You niggas cannot touch this like MC Hammer. They catching my vocabulary, I got the grammar. I'm coming from Alabama, slammer the Rama Jama. Let's get the hammer, rob a nigga like money scammers. Mob Town, that's the city that we claiming. We hold a lot of time, I goddamn it can't contain it. You can't know another that can kick it like this. Matter of fact, I'ma kick it like the Fresh Prince. Mobile, Alabama, born and raised. Open Orange Grove is where I spent some of my days. Chillin' out, maxin', relaxin', all cool and no shooting at these bust-ass niggas outside school. It was me and my guys, we was up to no good. Started causing havoc in the neighborhood. I got in one little fight and the punks got scared. I said, pull up with the stick and make sure everybody dead. I start to hit the road cause now I'm on the run. I have to stay strapped so you know I'm packing the gun. If anything, I know I gotta get up out of here. I'ma miss this place. So long to M.O.B. King of flows, eating beats like I'm a nematode. I'm very parasitic, read a book and you'll get it. Vocab is through the roof, I look it up before I spit it. Like putting on the rubber before I hit it, yeah. You shot your O.P.P. You shot your O.P.P. You shot your O.P.P. You shot your O.P.P.